Hi, I'm Andres Bosma, Product Manager of Differential Pressure Sensors and Flow Sensors at Sensirion. Today I would like to present you the STP800 series differential pressure sensor. The STP800 sensors are based on the next generation CMOS sensor chip and built on the successful STP600 series. The differential pressure sensors of the STP800 series are the reliable solution for measuring airflow in the most demanding but also cost-sensitive applications. The main features of the STP800 series are its reliability and long-term stability. They have no offset, no zero-point drift, they're hysteresis free, and they have an excellent accuracy and repeatability even below 1 Pascal. They are thus perfectly suited for applications that require to measure the airflow with a high dynamic range. The main applications for STP800 series are in HVAC, such as gas boilers, pellet stoves and fuel cells, filter monitoring, VFE control and ventilation, heat recovery systems, but also in medical, such as respiratory devices. Interested? Then check out the EKP5 evaluation kit. The EKP5 evaluation kit connects the STP800 sensor with a USB cable to your laptop. For example, we connect this bottle to the sensor, and warming up the bottle creates a small pressure. Even such low pressures can be measured very reliable with the EKP5 evaluation kit. The kit can be ordered from our distributors or directly from Sensirion for easy evaluation of your sensor application. Check out this link for more information about the STP800 differential pressure sensor. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for Sensirion's next videos.